Dallas, Texas, is known for its unpredictable and extreme weather patterns, which can take a significant toll on your home. While residents of this vibrant city enjoy its sunny days and moderate winters, they also face scorching heat, intense storms, and occasional freezes. One aspect of your home that can bear the brunt of these weather changes is your windows. Understanding how Dallas weather impacts your windows and why timely replacement is essential can help you maintain comfort, energy efficiency, and the overall integrity of your home. The impact of Dallas weather on your windows. Dallas experiences a variety of weather conditions throughout the year, from blistering summer heat to chilly winter days. These fluctuations in temperature and humidity can cause considerable wear and tear on your windows. Here are a few key ways Dallas weather affects your windows. Intense heat and UV exposure. Summers in Dallas can be sweltering, with temperatures regularly climbing above 100 degrees Fahrenheit. The constant exposure to intense heat and UV rays can cause window seals to degrade and frames to warp. Over time, the sun's harsh rays can fade window treatments and flooring inside your home, as well as contribute to the breakdown of the window material itself. If your windows are not properly insulated or protected, your energy bills will likely rise as your air conditioning works harder to keep your home cool. Humidity and condensation. Dallas is not only hot in the summer but also experiences high humidity levels. This increased moisture in the air can lead to condensation on the interior of your windows. While this may seem like a minor issue, over time, moisture buildup can compromise the seals around your windows, leading to drafts and water damage. Additionally, condensation can create the perfect environment for mold and mildew to grow, which is harmful to both your windows and your indoor air quality. Severe storms and hail. Dallas is no stranger to severe thunderstorms, which can bring heavy rain, strong winds, and sometimes hail. Hail can be especially damaging to windows, leaving chips, cracks, or even shattering glass. The high winds associated with storms can also cause the frames and seals of your windows to shift or become misaligned, resulting in gaps where air and water can enter your home. If left unaddressed, these issues can significantly reduce the performance and security of your windows. Winter freezes and cold weather. Though Dallas winters are typically mild compared to other parts of the country, freezing temperatures do occur from time to time. When temperatures dip below freezing, the materials in your windows contract, which can cause cracks or even breakage. Additionally, frozen condensation between panes can damage your window seals, leading to moisture buildup that impacts both window function and your home's insulation. Why window replacement matters. Given the extreme weather conditions that Dallas residents face, window replacement becomes a crucial part of home maintenance. Here's why replacing old or damaged windows is worth the investment. Improved energy efficiency. Old or inefficient windows can be a major source of heat loss in winter and heat gain in summer. Modern windows are designed with better insulation, advanced coatings, and energy-efficient materials that help regulate indoor temperatures, keeping your home comfortable year-round. By replacing old windows, you can significantly reduce your energy bills, as your heating and cooling systems won't need to work as hard to maintain your home's temperature. Enhanced home comfort. Drafty windows or those with broken seals can cause uncomfortable temperature fluctuations in your home. Replacing your windows ensures better insulation and keeps cold drafts and hot air outside where they belong. This can make a noticeable difference in how comfortable you feel indoors, especially during extreme weather conditions. Increased property value. Upgrading your windows is one of the best ways to enhance the curb appeal of your home. New windows can make your home look more modern, well-maintained, and aesthetically appealing. Additionally, potential buyers are more likely to be attracted to a home with new, energy-efficient windows, which can increase your property's value and make it easier to sell if you ever decide to move. Better protection against the elements. New windows provide a higher level of protection against severe weather. Whether it's the blistering summer heat, strong winds, or the occasional ice storm, high-quality windows can better withstand these elements. This protection extends beyond comfort. It also helps prevent water damage, drafts, and mold growth, ultimately protecting your home's structure. Noise reduction. Dallas is a bustling city with traffic, construction, and other noise disturbances. New windows are often designed with improved soundproofing capabilities, helping to reduce the amount of outside noise that enters your home. If you live in a noisy area, this added benefit can greatly improve your quality of life by creating a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. Conclusion. Your windows play a crucial role in maintaining the comfort, security, and energy efficiency of your home. The fluctuating and sometimes extreme weather in Dallas can cause significant damage to older windows, leading to higher energy bills, discomfort, and potential structural issues. By replacing your windows with more durable, energy-efficient models, you can protect your home from the elements, save on energy costs, and enhance your property's value. When the weather starts to take its toll, don't wait. Consider window replacement as a smart investment for the long-term health of your home.